Hey YouTube, it's Sean. I got something a little different for you today. This is my grandpa's pre-war Colt Woodsman, and it belonged to my grandpa. Well, excuse me. This is a story in itself. It belonged to my dad originally. Then my grandpa wanted it, so my dad gave it to my grandpa. Back in the day, before all these stupid gun laws got passed. And so my dad gave it to my grandpa. My grandpa worked for Swift and Company. He was a security guard. And he worked for a couple other companies as well for security guard. And at night he would use the old 22 Woodsman to shoot rats and just, imagine it was a boring shift, and back then you could do that. But this is a pre-war 19. What I could figure out by serial number wise is it was made in the early 1900s to well, let me see. No, not early 1900s. Excuse me. It was made in 19. What did we figure out? I think that we figured out from serial number wise it was 1919 to 1922. Okay, so. But anyway, it's got the a lot of straw on this gun, and that's what I wanted an opinion on. And the little magazine has a lot of straw on it. Now, what I want to know from all you guys that know anything about, I know a little bit, but that straw, I hate to get rid of it. It's not rust, it's just a straw look. Okay, and they say not to get rid of the patina on things, and the straw. I'm tempted to leave it alone. However, around the corners here, it does have a little bit of metal showing, and I keep it well oiled. But it does have some straw look, on the back strap there, on the slide. It does have some straw effect. Beautiful hand grips. But it does show signs of, and it shoots like butter, it never misses a beat. You could even shoot, that bucket of bullet, all the janky ammo. This is back when they made actual 22s. This will shoot anything. I've never had a problem with it. Once in a while, if you get really, really crummy ammo, it will have a feeding issue, but that's very seldom. But I've got the slide open right now just to show YouTube there is nothing in there. It is empty. Okay. It is completely empty. But that's what we got, and this is the safety right here. I'll pop that on just to make sure YouTube's happy with that. But it's all original except for the look of it. It shows its age. And I wouldn't trade it for $1 million because, it was my dad's, then my grandpa's, and then my dad's again. My grandpa passed away. And just wanted to share this with you guys because there ain't too many of these left. Not very many at all. I don't know if I can get in there and show you that, but there's I keep it pretty well oiled up because I keep it in the safe. Yep, it's a pre-war, and that's for definite. By serial number, we looked it up, but I wanted to share that with y'all. But Do you think I should keep the straw look or have this reconditioned? You know, I don't know. I think it's probably okay the way it is, but Colt 22. So it dates right up to the with the serial number that I got off of it. It dates right up to right about then, and just wanted to get an opinion from y'all. Harold, ARW, what do you think? You know, should I have it reconditioned or you know, leave it alone? Anybody else that wants to chime in, I have no problem with anybody chiming in, and just give me their opinion. But it's an heirloom, and I have shot it quite a lot, and it shoots like butter. I clean it up, put it back in this case, and clean it up, oil it up, put it back in the case, and it's good for next time. But just want to get an opinion. You know, what do y'all think? All right, love y'all. You guys take care. Chime in, leave a comment. You know, right down in there, right down in the bottom. All right, love y'all. Take care. Let me know what you think. Really curious to see what ARW has to say. He's respected in the in my mind when it comes to this stuff. And all right, give me your opinion, Harold. Take it easy. Everybody, give me your opinions. Love y'all. Just wanted to show you this beautiful piece, though, because it's there's not too many left, really, and the ones that are left to go for stupid amounts of money. The pre-war ones are just, and this is a pre-war. All right, and all the transfer took place prior to the red flag laws. But that's what we got. And let me know. Love y'all. Bye-bye.